हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। एंड आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस कहाँ होता है, वेयर डज द फोटोसिंथेसिस टेक्स प्लेस। ओके, सो इन द लास्ट क्लास ऑल्सो मैंने आपको बताया था कि फोटोसिंथेसिस इज अ फूड मेकिंग प्रोसेस इन प्लांट। ओके, सो फोटोसिंथेसिस क्या होता है? इट इज अ फूड मेकिंग प्रोसेस इन plants. And since the plants are able to make their own food, we call it as autotrophs, isn't it? हम उनको autotrophs बोलते हैं, जो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. There are few bacteria also there who are able to make their own food. Now the question is, where is the site of photosynthesis? Where is the site of photosynthesis? This is a normal question which is asked. Where is the site of photosynthesis? Okay, so let's understand this. So when we talk about where does the photosynthesis takes place, so your answer would be leaf, isn't it? Leaf is a green part of the plant which is able to make photosynthesis. But to be specific, where does the photosynthesis is taking place? That we need to understand. Leaf is fine, but the site of photosynthesis, if we talk about, to be more specific, more specifically, you can see that, or you can say that more specifically, the site of photosynthesis is क्लोरोप्लास्ट. आप लोगों ने सुना है क्लोरोप्लास्ट के बारे में? इसके बारे में हम आज पढ़ेंगे. व्हाट इज क्लोरोप्लास्ट? सो जस्ट लाइक हमारे घर में क्या होता है, क्या हम कहीं भी खाना बनाते हैं? नहीं. डेफिनेटली हम खाना कहाँ बनाते हैं? किचन में, isn't it? किचन में खाना बनता है. The same point you can just relate it in terms of plants also. Plants are going to prepare their food in the chloroplast. Okay, so let's understand and deal with this in more details. Okay, so first part, is it clear? Now, to understand the structure of chloroplast, सबसे पहले तो हम ये जानते हैं कि क्लोरोप्लास्ट ही क्यों? Why chloroplast? Why not any other organelle? So chloroplast has a special pigment. There is a special pigment present in the chloroplast. There is a special pigment present and we call it as chlorophyll. Isn't it? We all know this. Chlorophyll. From the junior classes, we have studied what is photosynthesis. Basically, use of CO2, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They give us C6H12O6, oxygen, right? Oxygen is also liberated and some amount of water as well. So chlorophyll is the green color pigment which is responsible for performing the part of photosynthesis inside the chloroplast. Okay. So leaves are the major location of photosynthesis. जो मैंने आप लोगों को पहले भी बता दिया है, लीफ क्या है? हमारा मेजर साइट है. बट लीफ में भी अगर हम मोर स्पेसिफिक होना चाहते हैं तो हमारा फोटोसिंथेसिस कहाँ होता है? बेसिकली इट हैपेंस इन द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. और क्लोरोप्लास्ट में ही क्यों? क्योंकि उनके पास एक स्पेशल पिगमेंट होता है जिसे हम क्लोरोफिल कहते हैं. Isn't it? All right. Let's understand. So क्लोरोफिल का काम क्या है? बेसिकली लाइट एनर्जी को जो एब्जॉर्ब करेगा, लाइट एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए लाइट एनर्जी इज absorbed by the green color pigment which is known as chlorophyll. The light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll. So just now I told you sunlight is very, very important. सनलाइट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए, जिसको हम सोलर एनर्जी भी बोलते हैं. तो इसको एब्सॉर्ब कौन करता है? द एब्सॉर्प्शन ऑफ सनलाइट एंड द or the solar energy is done by chlorophyll. Okay, so light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll, the green color pigment present within the chloroplast. Okay, So now what happens is CO2 enters and so 2 points which is very very clear. यहाँ पे 2 point बहुत अच्छे से clear हो जाना चाहिए आप लोगों को कि CO2 क्या हो रहा है, इंटर कर रहा है, enters and O2 makes an exit. Okay, O2 makes an exit because O2 is not in use. So O2 is given to us for respiration. Respiration के लिए हमें ऑक्सीजन कौन दे रहा है, plants, isn't it? So O2 exits the leaf through the microscopic pore. कहाँ से जाता है, stomata. Stomata is the tiny pores present on the leaf. These are the tiny pores present on the leaf. I am sure this is absolutely clear. All right. So till here we will do. In the next class, we will start up with the remaining part of this. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone.